Hello there, and welcome to the Scribe Center. Want to know how a Torah scroll is made? Wondering what Torah writing has to do with you? Well, get excited, because today is your big chance. We need to remember something that is super important, and that is, you are important, and also very lucky, because you are a soldier in Tzivos Hashem, God's army, the greatest force in the world, making the world a better place by doing acts of goodness and kindness. It's an amazing privilege, but this special privilege is only worth anything if you use it, if you go out and make a difference in the world. And sometimes we can forget how lucky we are to be part of the army of Hashem, that we have the power to do good and kind things that make a difference. Don't worry though, we've got this covered. In fact, we have the perfect reminder for you. One Hebrew letter. Yes, just one beautiful little Hebrew letter written in ink on parchment is going to remind you how special you are and how important your job is as a soldier in Tzivos Hashem. It's true. Here's how it all works. You can join children all around the world right now to create the Children's Unity Torah. It's a huge campaign that calls for all Jewish boys and girls to have their very own letter in a brand new Torah scroll. Did you know that every Torah scroll has 304,805 letters? That's a whole lot of letters, and every single one of those letters is absolutely necessary and can't be left out. Just the way every single Jew, including you, is absolutely essential and needed. The Children's Unity Torah will be written by a Torah scribe in the Holy Land of Israel, in the city of Jerusalem, a place close to all of our hearts. And do you know what makes all this even more special? The Lubavitcher Rebbe said that children should be the ones to buy themselves their own letter in the Torah. That way, your letter is truly your very own. Are you ready to buy a letter and be part of this grand project involving hundreds of thousands of kids? Let's do this! The Children's Unity Torah won't be complete without your letter. When you buy a letter in the Children's Unity Torah, you will receive a beautiful certificate that you can proudly display. That way you'll always be reminded that the Torah belongs to you, and that as a Jewish child, a soldier in the army of God, you have the power to do great things to make the world a better place.